what is going on? It's me, Jen, and I'm here with a really fun video for you guys. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Easy Poser app that we've been talking about, and if you're interested in finding out more about this really awesome app that's awesome for artists, beginner, intermediate, advanced, then check the cards because I will put all the videos that I've done on this app for you guys to check out, learn how to use, tips and tricks, all that jazz. But in today's video, what we're doing is we are going to be taking an Easy Poser mannequin that is posed in this really cute position, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I turn it into a piece of art. So the good thing about this app is that you can use it to pose these mannequins, and you can use that as reference to make any pose that you want. But I'm going to take it another step forward, and I'm going to actually just trace right on top of it to make it super easy to create something. This is like the best thing for a lazy artist. This really takes the guesswork out of stuff. I mean, you're basically just putting your own kind of spin on what's already there. And if you're a new artist and you're still trying to figure things out, this is a great easy way that you can kind of create something without a lot of skill, and it will help you develop your skills, because after you've done enough kind of tracing and sorting and figuring out, you will definitely up your game. And I love this app because you can pose these little mannequins in whatever poses you want. And I know for me as an artist, I've spent years looking through reference books, magazines, Google pictures, or Google image, sorry, and trying to find exactly the right image that I needed for a specific project. And sometimes you can look for hours and still not find exactly what you're looking for. And so I love this because not only can you get a pose that you want, but then you could get whatever angle you want. So if you wanted this to be like from above or below, different light sources, it's just awesome app. So I'm turning this little mannequin into a cute, adorable Lolita type of girl, and you can just really let your imagination run wild and go crazy and make whatever you want to. And so I'm doing the chair right now. I really hope that you guys like this video. I had a ton of fun creating her. This was like such a fun, easy way to draw, easier than normally it is for me. If you're interested in more videos like this, please let me know, comment below. If you have any requests for videos, do me a favor and comment below, and I will be so happy to do those for you. If you have any apps or anything you want me to review or show you how to use, definitely comment them as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up because it really helps out the channel. If you like this channel, you may as well subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified and you don't miss out on any future content. I really have been enjoying making these videos for you guys, and just as somebody who's a disabled artist who's legally blind, this app has really like made things a lot easier for me, just from that perspective. But here you go, this is the finished product. Tune in next week, you guys, because I'm going to be coloring this bad boy in. By the way, I'm using Manga Studio for this. If you guys are curious, I like to do Manga Studio for all my ink work, and any information that's pertinent will be below. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you. Take care.